Yo, what is going on, everyone? Back at it again with another video. This is going to be episode 1 of the build series for the EG Civic. I got a few things that came in the mail yesterday and I am going to be installing them today. The things that I did get are in here, right here. So these are actually side skirt extensions, just like the Amazon special. I didn't really want to go with Dev Sport again because they are like $200 and I don't really want to spend that much money on side skirt extensions. So I kind of went the like cheap route. These can look good. I've seen them on guys. He has the same car. His @name is actually manaki.jp. I'll put a photo in the screen right now, and that basically gives you a visual of what it would look like. Okay, so the second thing I did buy is clear taillights. I did do taillights for that car, and it's black, so we're gonna do clear taillights for that car, and it's white. So we're gonna see how nice that looks. I'm gonna take one out right now. I did open the box. Just some good old taillights, clear taillights. They're actually really cheap compared to the Integra. I did spend a hefty amount of money getting those for that car, but for these cars right here, they don't cost a whole lot at all. Like, it wasn't even half the price that I paid for these than the ones that I did pay for those. So yeah, really big price difference. Guess it's just because of how rare the Integra ones are compared to the EKs or the EGs. So yeah, guys, we're gonna just go ahead and fit these on and try and put those on as well, and that's basically just it for the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention it is like 120 degrees outside, so I'm not sure if I can even record much without this camera overheating. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. For any of you that want to move to Vegas, I suggest that you don't, because it is dry as hell out here in the summer, and it does go up to like 120 degrees almost every day. So yeah, it's actually an oven out here. Alright, so I got one side skirt out, and sorry for the absolute tragedy that is in here, but it's basically just a rough draft of how it would look. I do need to cut the middle a bit so that this part can fit right here. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Alright, so a couple hours later, finally got like this kind of fitted on to where it's good. I already have one mocked up right now. I'm about to show you guys in a minute. But yeah, with these I had to cut a foot off because it was too long. So here's the one I have mocked up. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but let's put there you go, you can see it better. Yeah, it's as good as I can get it, but honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Just gonna have to do the other side, and there's only 3 screws on this one, so I have to put more screws on it. And other than that, it's good. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, got it on. It's looking pretty nice. Let's go to the back. Once it's lower, more lowered, and all that, but it doesn't look too bad. Alright, so that did take a lot longer than I thought, but we got it done. It's looking pretty okay. It needs to be lowered more, and with wheels and all that, but looks alright for now. But on to the next thing we got right in here. Alright, here they are. As good as they can be. Pretty darn nice for the price that I bought these for. Yeah. Really good. Pretty nice quality. Really nice. Alright, now we gotta put these on to the car. Let's see the back. Alright, this is going to be the before. This. Oh yeah. These look pretty sick. On white. Oh yeah, this thing is gonna be so nice once I'm done. So yeah, that's just gonna be the end of this video. Episode 1 of the build series. I do need to get registration and insurance for this car to actually be able to drive it out the driveway. It's in the driveway because I don't have any plates on it, and I don't want it to possibly get towed away or anything like that. So, and I'm gonna take a shower because I have been working on this car for the past 5 hours, and I've just been sweating my absolute ass off out in the sun, and I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's Motionless, guys. Peace.